The Savings Curator is designed to help you create a realistic savings plan. I highly recommend using a grey lid pencil for this one. Step 1 is to set yourself a target and a deadline to work towards. Step 2 is to assess your finances and go through your bank and credit card transactions to identify your average monthly income and expenses. When you're listing your expenses, it's a good idea to categorize them. For example, expenses like getting your hair cut and getting your nails done can come under the same category of beauty. Once you've added in your monthly income and expenses, you've got the numbers you need to calculate your monthly surplus. This is how much you have left over after subtracting your monthly expenses from your monthly income. Step 4 is analysing your current set of expenses and identifying what expenses you can realistically reduce or eliminate each month. For example, if your monthly takeaway expense is $100 and you decide that it's realistic to reduce it to $70, then you can put $70 in the desired column next to takeaway. Step 5 is calculating your desired monthly surplus after you've identified what expenses you can reduce or eliminate. Your desired monthly surplus is how much you would have left over if you commit to all the changes identified in the previous step. To calculate this, subtract your desired monthly expenses from your monthly income. Step 6 is figuring out a game plan and listing down the specific actions you need to take in order to reach your desired monthly surplus. For example, bringing lunch to work instead of eating out might save you an average of $140 a month. Step 7 is deciding how much you want to contribute to your savings goal each month. You might like to schedule transfers, or you might like to put in reminders in Curation each month. The last step is tracking your progress. Take note of your monthly deposits and visually track your progress using the progress bar. Seeing your progress is a huge motivator and a simple way to stay on track with your savings goal. Just to clarify, the target column refers to your monthly savings target. It is simply your savings goal divided into the number of months you'll be saving. If you start on January 1st and your deadline is June 30th, you'll need to divide your savings goal by 6 to work out your monthly targets. The actual column is how much you've actually contributed to your savings account that month. This might change, it might be less or more depending on your income and what's happened during the month.